In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in your AWS account. Whether you're updating your business profile or correcting a detail, changing your account name on AWS is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. You should type AWS into the search bar and navigate to the official Amazon Web Services website. It's important to ensure you're logging in through the legitimate AWS site to keep your account secure. Once you're on the AWS homepage, locate the Sign In button, often found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Sign in using the appropriate email and password associated with your AWS account. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have those additional credentials ready to ensure a smooth login experience. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the AWS Management Console. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu under your account name or number. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options and select the one labeled Account. This will take you to your account management settings, which is where we'll be making our changes. Now that you're on the account page, take a moment to locate the section titled Account Details. This area houses all your basic account information. Look here for the Actions button. Clicking on it will reveal a submenu. From this submenu, the option we're interested in is Update Account Name. Select this choice to continue. In the field provided, enter the new desired account name. It's a good idea to double-check your entry for accuracy, since this will be the official name on your AWS account. Make sure it reflects the identity of your organization or your personal name as needed. Once you're satisfied with the new name, the final step is to save your changes. Usually, you'll find a Save Changes or Submit button nearby, which you must click to apply the update. After saving, your account name should update almost immediately. If you navigate back to your account overview, you should see the new name displayed. It's as easy as that. If, for any reason, you encounter issues or the name doesn't seem to update, be sure to double-check that all changes were applied correctly, and don't hesitate to reach out to AWS support if needed. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your AWS account name, keeping your profile current and accurate. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to check out other tutorials for more AWS tips and tricks.